Hey traders, welcome to our channel. 90% of the traders don't know how to mark the valid change of character correctly, and it's killing their win rate. And in this video I will show you what's mean by change of character. Change of character types. And how to know change of character has high probability or not. Before going to the video, we always appreciate your support, so traders like, share and subscribe. See you after the intro. And first we go deeply into the definition of the change of character. The change of character occur when price breaks a previous internal high or low that was not broken during the previous trend phase, indicating a change from bullish to be bearish or bearish is to bullish structure. It represents the first break of structure against the current trend, suggesting that the market's character may be changing. Traders, after the types of the change of character, I will show rough sketch example for the definition. And the question is types of the change of character. The change of character includes two types. They are bullish change of character and bearish change of character. We see first the bullish change of character. In this scenario, the price breaks the previous lower high, which creates in downtrend, and forms a new higher high which is created in uptrend. That means the market has been converted to bearish to bullish. And this is for bearish change of character. That the price breaks the previous higher low, and forms a new lower low, which has been created in downtrend. That means the market change it from bullish to bearish. Traders, before going to this topic, don't skip this topic from now because it is a very important topic. To finding a high probability change of character. Here is a rough sketch and real chart example. Now we go deeply to find a high probability change of character. For finding a high probability change of character, there are four scenarios. The first scenario represents clear trend before change of character. I mean, for a bullish the market should be an uptrend like this. And for a bearish the market should be downtrend. The second scenario states that liquidity sweep just before. For a bullish change of character, the liquidity should sweep in sell side external. And for a bearish change of character, the liquidity should sweep in buy side. Okay traders, I hope this video will be helpful for you, so please hit the like button, and if you have any doubt in this change of character, so please place your doubts in comments. I will be answer your questions, and subscribe to our channel for more upcoming videos. Okay traders, see you in the next video.